Hey everyone, my name's Colton, and today I'll be setting up the disposable limb bag. Before I begin, you will need your oxygen source and ozone generator ready to continue with this setup. If you still need to set up your oxygen source or ozone generator, please watch our videos on how to set those up first. For this setup, you'll need the disposable limb bag, one of the included fittings, one of the included Velcro straps, and the 5-foot section of silicone tubing with the check valve connector set that was included with your generator. The disposable limb bags are used to treat a limb topically with ozone gas for things such as wounds or skin conditions. To begin, we'll take the 5-foot segment of silicone tubing with the check valve connector set and connect this end to the ozone out port of the generator. Now, we'll take the fitting that was included with the disposable limb bag and unscrew the washer from the fitting. Once unscrewed, we'll take the disposable limb bag and put a small hole in one side of the bag. Once the hole is made, we'll take the fitting we took the washer off of and push it into the small hole like this. Now, we'll take the washer and reattach it to the fitting from the inside of the bag like this. Once this is done, you can take the other end of the silicone tubing that we attached to the generator and push it onto the fitting we just attached to the disposable limb bag. Once that's done, you can turn on your oxygen source and set your flow rate. You'll then place your limb into the bag and use the Velcro strap to seal the open end of the bag. Some will wet the area first to help prevent dryness on the skin. You can now turn on the ozone generator to whichever dial setting you would like. Most will do this treatment for 10 to 15 minutes. Once that time has elapsed, you'll turn off the ozone generator, undo the Velcro strap, remove your limb, and then you can turn off your oxygen source. Thanks for watching. Check out our other YouTube videos for more information and be sure to follow us on social media. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and hit that notification bell for future videos.